Hey, what's up, people, man? This is a review of the Samurai Shampoo. Yeah, man, this first episode was pretty awesome. Yes, man. It showed the first beginning. It showed Mew and Jean both like they captured or something, and the guy's about to execute the government guy about to execute them. Then they show a part. Yeah, they show them about to execute them, but then it went off. Then they say years. They like one day early. Then it show and it shows some girl. She's in a restaurant, something like some kind of food place, a restaurant like selling food and stuff, doing orders and stuff. And basically, I'm gonna skip that. I'm gonna go straight to the good parts, man. Yes, man. They show the part with Gene when the government, some guys begging and needs the government said he give him some money, all that stuff, give him some change, all that stuff. He gave him some gold stuff, and the government said that all you got and stuff. And Gene came in, then fought some whole bunch of the government guys. He cut them all up real easy. And they show a part with Mew. He came inside the food place. He somehow you give me 50 dumplings, I stock them guys for you. And then his girl about to get, she about to hurt that girl. They about to hurt the girl, but then Mew came. Then on all them guys, just stabbed him and killed him. Then Gene came inside the restaurant. Then came in the restaurant and they fought Mew. They was going at it with each other. Then the dude put the place on fire. So I was going crazy, laughing because the place on fire, like, oh, so the place is all on fire and stuff. Then it showed Gene in the swim in the pool in a tub, and it showed and then it showed Mew or just getting all burned his hair on fire. Then it showed a part when they all captured and stuff tied up, and that girl tried to because the girl wanted help from Mew and Gene, so she tried to save him and help him before he had to get executed. But Gene and Mew saved and help, so they was tied up and the guys about to cut their head off. They flipped and kicked both of the guys. Then Gene cut Mew's arm off. Cut his ropes off. Then he do the sword to him. Then they both fought all them guys and going there and killing all them guys, killing all them going. Then they killed the government guy. They just cut him in half. And then the girl do some kind of balls and this big fire which came this bloosh and all them guys ran away. Then they show at the end they was just running away, basically just running away, about to fight each other again, but the girl jumping away. Then all them guys at the end started chasing the government guys, started chasing them at the end. Then this went off after that. Then it was a good anime, man. This is a good anime. The animation is great. The fighting is great. It's just great anime. I just enjoy anime so much, man. I'm starting watching different animes now, man. I don't keep talking about the same anime, get boring after a while. But I'm even talking about mostly animes I enjoy. You know, I enjoy this anime. So basically, that's the only most animes I'm gonna talk about. Mostly the animes that I enjoy. But I enjoy this anime so much, man. I was talking about all more animes too. If I enjoy that anime, I'm gonna talk about it. Alright, people. Alright, peace out. Have a nice day. Tell me what y'all think with the first episode. My first episode, I was discussing about. I'm past all 4 episodes. I saw. I'm on my 5th episode, I'm just discussing one by one. So I'm do part 2 next. Part 2 episode next. But before I do that, I'm gonna make some other videos first. I'm gonna make a TiVo video, something like that. Talking about Broncos videos, Anyway, man, peace out, people, man. Some of y'all think this anime, Samurai, Shamu, Poo. Some of y'all think of this. All right, people, peace out, people. Bye. Have a nice day. Freaking man, that fight was active, man. Jin versus freaking, I mean not Jin, I mean Gene versus Mew. That was an active fight, man. Anyway, man, peace out. Have a nice day. Bye.